Hello everybody. Today I have another disc-detainer video. This is a bike lock, an ABUS Bordo. I bought it from eBay without a key, so I don't know the bidding. Actually I didn't know the condition or anything else. There was just one picture not showing the keyway. And actually this is not like a modern model of these, which would have an ABUS Plus core with the disc locking mechanism and so on. But this is like ABUS, no, this is like an ABUS Plus core, and the modern ones have an ABUS X Plus, right? With the disc locking mechanism, and this doesn't have it. Picking is quite tricky because it's not front opening, so you can tension off the first disc, but it won't open in a zero cut there. You have to turn the tensioner a bit and find the zero cut, which is on disc 3 or so, I found. So yeah, let's try to pick it. First rotating all disc clockwise as far as they go. And since I have to do some trickery with the tensioner, I use a washer to actually stay on the first disc, because otherwise I would be tensioning off disc 2. And yeah, you see what happened to my prong here. It got a bit rough in there, because I don't know if you can hear it. Let's listen to this. It's super gritty again. Yeah, the discs are a bit tough to move, but anyhow, let's try to pick it. So I don't know what's the deal with the first disc. Maybe it's a butterfly disc, because if you look, I inserted it now as all the discs have turned, and I can move it a bit further. So this is always an indentation for a butterfly disc. Yeah, let's start from the back. Maybe here. Maybe here. This one is always a bit tough to feel, but could be here. Maybe set the focus right. And this one. Yeah, that's a zero cut. And this one. Maybe like here. So let's go through this once more. Maybe here. Yeah, definitely here. Definitely here, and that's all discs. Not so sure about this one. Maybe here. Let's leave it here. I skipped the zero cut disc. And yeah, the feedback on this one is really not so great, because the disc you're tensioning off is lifting the sidebar, right? And then you don't get good feedback on the disc next to it. And maybe like here. Let's try. Nope. So the idea is now that you set all discs to a proper gauge, and then you rotate back the tensioner while keeping tension on this disc here. But it seems like they are not in the right gauge yet. So let's go through this once more. Okay, this one's not good. Maybe it's more happy here. Also, I have the feeling that there's so much dirt in there that the discs move on their own when you touch another disc. Zero cut. Let's try again. Nope, not yet. It's really hard to get the feeling on the second disc. Nope. Maybe right here. So from the feeling, I would say that all discs are in the gate. I actually grab the sidebar in a false gate on the first disc. Well, I think it's a false gate, not a true gate. And yeah, now we're back at the limiter, tensioning of the limiter. Now we got it open. I just touched the second disc a bit. It was not in the right gate. And now it's open. Ta-da! Yeah, you can see the core is turned, and yeah, that's all. Unfortunately, one cannot gut this because there's a rivet here. Yeah, I can show you another ABUS Bordo. This is like a proper one with an X Plus core, and this one you can actually gut. And we'll do a video on this in a bit or so. Yep. But I guess that's all on this ABUS Bordo. Big. Oh yeah, I forgot I didn't show the weather cover, right? Just goes over here. You can always just remove it for picking. It's just in the way. Okay. Hope you enjoyed my little trickery with the front tension here. That's all for that today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.